In this video, we are going to talk about companies which provide cloud hosting under $5. So if you want the benefits and the reliability of cloud hosting, but at the budget cost, this video is for you. If your website got a lot of traffic, then you cannot host that using a shared host. Sooner or later, you will need to transfer your site to a cloud hosting server. But the problem is that cloud hosting companies are pretty expensive. So in this video, we are trying to list down few companies which provide cloud hosting and at or under $5. So in no particular order, let's start with the number one, and that is A2 Hosting. Now A2 Hosting is one of the most reliable name when it comes to the website hostings, and their cloud hosting also starts with $5. And with that you get ultra fast SSDs, quick start of server configuration, and with that you also get Cloudflare web application firewall for additional speed and security. And if you want, you can also upgrade to a cPanel as well. And while trying to set up this server, it won't take more than 10 minutes. And with that you will get 1 to 8 core CPUs and 1 to 32 GB RAM. And a disk space 150 GB SSD, which is good enough for a beginning site. Next in our list is Hostgator. Now when it comes to budget hosting, Hostgator is a very popular name, but their cloud hosting also got some promising price. With almost $5, you can easily get a cloud hosting with Hostinger. With the disk space of 120 GB and unlimited domains and MySQL databases, you can easily host your website with Hostinger Cloud Host. And especially in the beginning phase, you don't have to worry about the budget, so you can easily get a cloud host for your newly started website. Next in our list is Digitalocean. Now once again, it's a very popular name in website hosting, and there as well you can get $5 per month cloud hosting plans, and you can easily scale the server as the traffic goes. And above all, you get a great support from the Digitalocean technical support team. So these are some of the companies which provide cloud hosting at a very affordable price of at or below $5 per month. If you want to check out more details about these cloud hosting servers, you can go ahead and check the links in the video description below. And do let us know in the comment section below if you are using shared or you are using a cloud hosting for your website. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.